Hey YouTube family, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Hopefully y'all are having a fantastic day so far. I found these really cool finials. They go like this. They're supposed to be down like for your fireplace or just something cute, but I was like, you know what? Let's make this into a hanging ornament. How cute is that? I used some spray foam and I just kind of rounded it out, chiseled it out. And I cut up some greenery because I just want to show y'all how easy this can be to make this cute little hanging ornament. I thought these would be really cute outside, like hanging on your front porch. So what I'm gonna first do, because you're like, well, how are you gonna hang it? I'm gonna take one of these floral U pens. You can get them at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna dip it in my hot glue pot that you can't see. And I'm going to find this center and just push that down. And then I'm going to put this pipe cleaner right there and then carefully push it all the way in. Very carefully, don't hurt yourself. I'm going to take my actual glue gun and just finish it off a little bit with some extra hot glue right there. And this is how you're going to hang it, right? If you need it, I'm going to leave it like this. I might need it a little bit longer. I might extend it with some pipe cleaners, but I'm going to leave it like this for now. Now, off camera, I did make this really fun loopy bow. And so I'm going to add that in next. And the same thing, I just added a floral U pen instead of a pipe cleaner underneath my bow. And we're just going to stick that right in. So I'm going to go on the opposite side and make kind of like a little bit of an X where that glue already is, and just kind of pierce that right in. I'm going to find those pipe cleaners, make sure they're not hidden. Where'd the other one go? There we go. Just pull those out to the side because I probably will need to be adding another pipe cleaner to hang it. So now we have this big fun loopy bow. These two ribbons are from my friends at Creek Road, so I will tag that in the comments. And I just did a hand bow with some fun big loops. You can totally make this bow on your bow maker as well. And so I did 4 of the peppermint loops first, 4 of this really fun metallic red, the 7/8 inch, and then I did a peppermint loop right in the middle. So I'm just going to hold this down for just a little bit and make sure it adheres, and then we'll add in our greenery. Let me just, I was gonna pause y'all. There's the pause button. Okay, so now my bow is on the top, but you can see the white foam. So what I did is I just cut up, I had some random greenery around, and so I just cut it up, and I'm just gonna start adding this into this design. And I want some of the greenery to be cascading off, just like the bow. So I'm just gonna, this is awesome. It has this nice wire. So I'm gonna dip this in my glue pot right there. And then I'm just gonna start placing these all around in the foam. And then I have this really fun glitter one as well that's variegated. And I'm just gonna kind of do every other. And we're just gonna go around in a circle, just kind of filling up these outer perimeter of our design, because I want the greenery to cascade down with this really fun little glitter bits, and we're going to put them all over, all around our design. Oh, this one might not be, oh, it went in, okay. I was like, I might have to do a little pre-hole. So if your greenery is a little flimsy, that's okay. You can just pre-do a little hole in your foam and stick it right in. So I'm just going all around in a circle, just like this. And we're just adding, I'm just going to add some greenery. Now, you could always add some peppermint stuff to it, or really anything. Some red or white bay leaves if you wanted a little bit more fancy. I mean, you could really just kind of go with it, whatever your heart desires. I'm going to finish this up and I'll be back. Okay, I now went all the way around. Look how pretty that is. all the way around. So now we got to go in and fill in the inside. So what I did is I started cutting these up a little bit too, because I wanted this to be a little bit fuller, but I didn't want all of these to be so long. So I did start cutting out the middle of these, and what I did is just right at the end, I just kind of trim all of this plastic down with my scissors, just so I can dip it in my hot glue, and now it's going to stick to my design. So now I'm going to take this and just start filling in that foam. So wherever I see some foam, I'm just going to take some of my greenery, and we're just going to start moving up and making this into a full, pretty much like a full ball moment, right? So I'm just going to grab, and don't worry too much about the bow and all of that, because we can always go in and refluff our bow and all that. So I'm just going to start adding in, just moving up, layering in all of this fun pine. Now this pine was from my own stash, but you can definitely grab some pine. This is just like Christmas tree pine, and then I'm just adding in some greenery that has a little bit of glitter, because I wanted a little glam, a little glitz to it. I'm gonna have to pre-do some holes. So if you need to do that, just grab a stick and pre-punch some holes. Oh my gosh, not in the glue part. Pre-do a little bit of holes, and then dip if you have a soft tip item, just dip that right into the glue and then into your item. So I'm going to do like this in quadrants. So I'm just going to start filling in all of these little gaps over here, just kind of putting a couple solid pieces in, and then some bigger pieces. Now I don't want to use that whole big chunky greenery, because I want this to be nice and airy and like a ball of fun. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go in and fill in the rest of this foam area, because we want to make sure that we're covering up the foam. And I also want this just to be, I don't know, just a winter fun element. It's going to be really, really pretty once we get her all filled in. And of course, as I'm moving up, I am putting the picks more up as well. Just following along, just acting like this is a ball. And we're just going to pierce this in and move all up along our foam. I'm going to finish with this little quadrant, and then I will pause and fill in the rest. And we can do those last final touches together. But see, we're just filling in. So now we just got to do that to the rest of this foam, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to show y'all a little progress update. That's about halfway done. And you see how I'm going up when I go up in the bow. So now it looks like some of the greenery is coming through the bow. So I'm just going to finish up this half. I'm just sticking these in and moving up, and then I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. We got all the greenery in. I'm just going to add another pipe cleaner to my existing pipe cleaner that's in there. And what I want to do is just make a big loop. I think I only need one extra. Here's the other one. And now we have something to hang this by, right? By the top. I might add another one. I'm going to hang this up. It's my own personal use. This is for me. I'm going to make a matching one for my house. My house is gingerbread, so peppermint gingerbread is perfect. But I just wanted to show y'all the finished result and how you can turn something like this into something beautiful. I might have to squeeze. That looks awkward, doesn't it? I might have to squeeze this together, yeah, and then make it like a loopy hanger to hang it. But once I get my house all decorated for Christmas, I was about to say Halloween, I will show y'all in a picture what this looks like. I love it. How easy was that? I mean, it's a lot of gluing and a lot of sticking, but it's just so fun to find something at your normal everyday store and turn it into something even more fantastic, right? I hope you enjoyed this really fun, easy DIY for Christmas this year. Guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you over here permanently. If you would like to be an official owlet, you can sign up on my website, which is thesouthernowls.com. I do weekly little newsletters just to keep y'all posted on what I'm doing, what I'm all about, and if I have any wreath kits or anything like that dropping. That's the good thing about being signed up. Let me see if I can get the whole thing. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love those loops going through. I love that hanging down. That is so fun. So fun, so pretty. And once I get it hung up, I think I'm going to twist this together. I think that makes the most sense. I'm going to twist this together and then hang it up. I will definitely keep y'all posted where I hang these in my own house. I'm super excited about it. I am adding a few pieces here and there to my gingerbread collection because I did change my whole decor last year. So I'm going to fine-tooth it a little bit this year. So I can't wait to show y'all the end result of my Christmas decor this year. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I can't wait to craft with y'all again soon. Bye, everyone.